everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I am going to explain how Microsoft Copilot works and how to download it. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered code suggestion tool that is integrated with Visual Studio Code, a popular code editor. It helps developers write code faster and more accurately by offering real-time suggestions as they type. Here's how it works. Installation. Developers need to install the Copilot extension in Visual Studio Code. And once it's installed, Copilot will automatically start providing suggestions. Contextual suggestions. As developers start typing, Copilot leverages machine learning models trained on billions of lines of code to provide contextually relevant suggestions. It examines the code you've written so far and suggests the most likely code completion. Code generation. Copilot can generate complete code snippets or add missing parts to existing code. It understands programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and coding styles to generate code that aligns with the context and best practices. Continuous learning. Copilot continuously learns from user interactions, so developers can choose to provide feedback on the suggestions, helping Copilot improve its recommendations over time. Privacy and security. Copilot uses a mixture of licensed code and code from publicly available sources, considering open source licenses and respecting copyright. However, it has faced criticism for potentially generating code that infringes on copyrights and other intellectual property rights. But overall, Microsoft Copilot aims to boost developer productivity by providing contextual suggestions and helping automate repetitive coding tasks. So let me know if you want a full tutorial on how to download Microsoft Copilot. It will be released to public soon. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to get updated. See you in our next video!